Make roasted barbecue chicken. Roasted barbecue chicken is something that you can prepare during picnics and special occasions or just for a special dinner with your family. The key to a perfect roasted barbecue chicken is making a good marinade and roasting it just right to still keep the chicken juicy. Find out how you can prepare roasted barbecue chicken with these simple step-by-step instructions. The preparation is easy, but it takes a few hours to marinate the chicken. Ingredients that you need. The ingredients that you need are chicken thighs, barbecue powder, onion, garlic, olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Cajun pepper, salt, and pepper. Measure and prepare the ingredients. You need 4 chicken thighs. You can use other parts or more pieces if cooking for plenty of people. Measure 2 tablespoons each of the barbecue powder and olive oil. Squeeze half a cup of lemon juice and measure half a teaspoon of the Cajun pepper. Mince 1 medium onion and about 2 cloves of garlic. Make the marinade. Prepare a large mixing bowl. Make sure that the mixing bowl can accommodate all your chicken pieces. Add the onion, garlic, barbecue powder, olive oil, lemon juice, and Cajun powder to the mixing bowl. Add a dash of salt and pepper to taste. Mix the ingredients until they are well blended. Afterward, add the chicken pieces to the marinade. Use your hands to massage the marinade on the chicken. You can also use whole chicken if you want, but make sure that you add the marinade inside the cavity of the chicken for more flavor. Marinate the chicken. When the chicken pieces are all coated with the marinade, place plastic wrap over the mixing bowl and leave it in the refrigerator to marinate for about 2 to 4 hours. This is to help the chicken absorb the marinade. When the marinating time is almost up, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the chicken. Prepare a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Remove the chicken from the refrigerator and place the pieces on the baking sheet. Roast the chicken for about an hour and a half or until the chicken is cooked but tender. Do not overcook the chicken so that the meat won't be dry. Serve the chicken. When it is done, remove the chicken from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. You can serve the chicken together with mashed potatoes, buttered or steamed vegetables or salad. This is a dish that your family will surely love. Now you know how to make roasted barbecue chicken. You can change the ingredients that you use for the marinade to come up with a flavor that you like. Other ingredients that you can use are chili powder, lemongrass, basil, parsley, rosemary, and other spices that will go well with the roasted barbecue chicken. You can also serve the chicken with barbecue sauce if you marinated the chicken for only a couple of hours.